Are you getting ready to celebrate a monumental milestone? 25 years of love, laughter, and memories? Want to throw a party or host a celebration that's not only elegant but deeply personal? Whether it's a romantic dinner for two or a grand gathering with family and friends, this video is packed with 10 stunning and sentimental decor ideas to make your 25th wedding anniversary celebration unforgettable. Stick around until the end because I'll share one powerful styling secret that will instantly elevate your silver anniversary setup.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What is the best theme for a 25th wedding anniversary? The 25th anniversary is traditionally known as the silver anniversary, which symbolizes strength, elegance, and enduring love. Silver should be the foundation of your decor. Use silver accents paired with white for a classic look. Add soft blues or blush pinks to create a romantic ambiance. Incorporate metallics like chrome or mirror finishes to add sophistication. Love these theme ideas? Like and share this video with someone celebrating 25 years of love. How do you create a memorable entrance for an anniversary celebration? First impressions matter. Welcome guests with a silver-themed balloon arch or floral archway. Lay a silver runner or red carpet leading to the event area to create a formal, grand feel. Add a custom 25 years of love sign or a welcome board with the couple's name and wedding date to immediately set the tone. Want to elevate your entrance setup? Check the description for top anniversary decor pics. How do you style the table settings for a 25th anniversary? The table setup is where elegance meets intimacy. Use silver chargers and white or gray linen napkins. Choose fine dinnerware with silver edging. Add name cards in elegant script with a thank you message for each guest. Sprinkle subtle glitter confetti or mini photo frames of the couple's journey at each place setting. Planning a dinner event? Check the description for silver-themed tableware and styling tips. What are the best centerpieces for a 25th anniversary table? Your centerpieces should reflect the elegance of the occasion. Use silver candle holders with tall taper candles or floating candles in glass bowls for a timeless look. Incorporate white roses, orchids, or hydrangeas in silver vases. Add sparkle with crystals or pearl garlands draped around the base. Which centerpiece idea is your favorite? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. How can you decorate the cake or dessert table? Make the dessert station a highlight of your celebration. Use a silver sequin tablecloth to catch the light. Decorate with silver accented cake stands, trays, and floral arrangements. Add a backdrop with a happy 25th anniversary sign and a garland of silver and white balloons. Want your dessert table to pop? Check the description for must-have styling accessories. This script helps you connect with your audience emotionally while offering practical and stylish decor ideas for a memorable 25th anniversary celebration. Let me know if you'd like to tailor this for a specific setting, like outdoor, romantic dinner, or party hall.